فهل من مدكر. So is there one to heed to the advice? From Dr. Shana's name, Assalamu alaikum to all my viewers and listeners. We are learning Arabic words started with Alif Lam and their meanings in English, which are helpful for the understanding of Quran. These words are those words which repeated frequently in Quran Pak. Let us start with our new lesson. Al-Maliku, the owner. At-Tariqu, the road. Al-Khanziru, the pig. Al-Mahabbatu, the lover. Al-Mautu, death. As-Samau, sky. Ad-Dunya, world. Al-Ghaibu, unseen. Al-Azabu, torment. An-Nabuwatu, prophethood. At-Ta'amu, food. Al-Warisu, inheritor. At-Tabutu, kafan. Al-Qawmu, people. Ad-Du'au, prayer. Al-Kalamu, pen. Al-Hayatu, life. Al-Wahiyu, revelation. Al-Akhiratu, afterlife. An-Nuru, light. Please comment which are the new words we learned now in this lesson. Thanks and goodbye till my next lesson. Khuda Hafiz.